Walnuts honey pancakes. Ingredients: 1.5 cups wheat flour, 4 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts, 1 cup lukewarm milk or as per needed. Step 1. Firstly, in a large mixing bowl take 1.5 cups wheat flour. Step 2. Also add baking powder, baking soda. Then sieve the flour. Step 3. Further add chopped walnuts, honey, melted butter, milk and combine well with the whisk. Step 4. Additionally, add more milk and make smooth flowing consistency batter. Step 5. Heat a non-stick pan and grease with butter. Pour a ladleful of prepared pancake batter. Do not spread. Step 6. Dimmer and cook for 2 minutes or until bubbles appear on the surface. Step 7. Flip over the pancakes and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes or until cooked through. Step 8. Finally, serve walnuts, honey, with some walnuts and honey on top.